first thing to do is learn how to take the 16th accent on the downbeat and then move it 1/16 at a time and cycle it around till we've played all 4 positions. Let me play this for you, show you the notation on the bottom of the screen so you can hear what it sounds like and see what it sounds like. Here we go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. There we cycled all the way through and we've learned all the possible single stroke 16ths and all the accents. This next exercise uses all the consecutive eighth notes on the beat and off the beat. So let me count it and play it to you and then we'll put it on the kit. Here we go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and on the beat 2. These are all on the beat. Now off the beat. In this exercise, we're going to take 2 consecutive accents in 16th notes and move the permutation by 1/16 each time. Let me play this to you so you can hear what it sounds like. I'll count it at the same time. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. So what that has done is it's moved those 2 accents along by 1 position each time. Now let's put that one on the kit and see what it sounds like. In this step, we're going to cycle the single stroke accents and the 2 alternative stroke accents as one long permutation study. Let me play this for you and see if you can get it. It's not easy, it's tricky, but it really shows you that you've got command and you can really hear where all these accents go in any position. Really useful for soloing and making interesting drum fills. Here we go, let's give this one a go. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and 1. Great, we got through that. Hard to say that, I'm running out of breath most of the time. Let's pop that one on the kit and give it a go. The next stage is to take these accents and move them around the kit. First, let's move them on the toms. So we voice it slightly different. We get some different phrases and we get some nice intervals between the snare drum and the different toms to get some really nice, interesting phrases. Great for making up some new fill-ins. next thing to do is to apply these accents onto a groove so we can make the hi-hat have a nice flow and a bit more movement to it and a bit more organic. So if we played a basic 16th note pattern sounding like this, and now we add some hi-hat notes in to give it a bit more flow and a bit more groove and a bit more of an organic feel. And you can also use it to follow what the music and how some of the rhythms of the other instruments are playing. So let me try and sing this. There's on the offbeat. Now let's put one on the 16th ups. Right, let's take that concept now, put it onto the kit, and you'll hear how it sounds like with the full sound of the kit. Really interesting how this makes the groove flow and feel different. Great way to improvise on the hi-hat. The final step for you to do in these exercises is now to also improvise around the kit with it, from the snare onto the cymbals, onto the toms, and really mix it all up. So here what I'm going to do is I'll do a little solo where I'm just moving from the snare drum onto the toms and showing you how all the accents move. So first all the accents will be on the snare, then we'll introduce a few toms, then we'll roll over onto the toms and then make a nice flurry of notes on the toms. And you can see we're just playing 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a as alternate notes, but by adding all these accents, the singles and the doubles, and getting a good flow and control over them, you can see how musical it can be. And this really simple concept can go a really long way into improving your drum beats, your fills, and everything you do. In fact, it gives you a lot more control over the whole kit.